What do you call the line on the image in Slider Revolution? If you've ever worked with images in Slider Revolution and noticed a line or divider showing up, you might wonder what it's called and how it works. This line is typically a layer that has been added for styling, emphasis, or as a divider. In Slider Revolution, every design element, including shapes and lines, is treated as a layer. These lines are often added manually and can be styled using the built-in shape layer tools. You can change their width, height, color, and animation properties. Sometimes these lines act as decorative separators or highlight effects. Now, before we continue, if you want access to the most powerful editing tools and templates, you should join Slider Revolution for free using the link in the description. It's a great way to boost your design quality instantly. Back to the line. If it was not manually added, it might also come from a shadow effect or border within an image or text box. So, always inspect the layer settings to understand where it comes from. Understanding the structure of layers helps you fix or customize these lines easily. Don't forget, the full features and visuals of Slider Revolution really shine when you explore their advanced editing tools. That's why I always suggest trying their full version using the free link in the description.